marked and celebrated as Independence Day. So first, let me ask my friend Kushi how the Independence Day was celebrated in our school with a great pride.
As we all know, Independence Day is celebrated in our school every year with a great pride. We all used to wear white uniforms and sing the national anthem and Vande Mataram. Our school chairperson Srimati Chitrakala Nagraj ma'am, our beloved principal Srimati Somya Sanjay ma'am, used to hoist the flag and we all used to sing Jana Gana Mana. We used to give a salute to the national flag with respect. Our beloved teachers would give us sweets and wish us. This time, due to the pandemic, we all miss our golden memories.
Thank you, Kushi. Ashitati, can you tell a few lines on the Independence Day?
Today on 15th August, India is celebrating its Independence Day. We are so proud to say that we are independent from the British. Independence Day marks the end of the British rule in 1947. Its establishment of the free and independent Indian nation.
Thank you, Varshita. Can you tell me that how this Independence Day is auspicious occasion for all of us?
We are free because of the great Indian leaders who struggled hard for many years to get freedom against British rule. Today is the very significant day for Indians which we celebrate remembering sacrifice of great Indian leaders who had given their lives for the freedom and prosperity of the country. Freedom of India was possible because of the sacrifice and involvement of the all freedom fighters.
Thank you, Preetishri. Aishwarya, can you tell me that why Independence Day is celebrated?
Let us all be proud of our beloved nation. We all have to collectively strive to make India vibrate strong in supremacy. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August 1947. After 2 centuries of British rule, India got its independence after 100 years of freedom struggle. Independence Day is celebrated to commemorate the freedom fighters of India who fought for Indian independence. Independence Day is celebrated across the length and breadth of country with enthusiasm.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Priyanka, can you tell who will raise the flag at National Level Independence Day in 2021 at Red Fort?
Yes, as per the custom, Prime Minister of India unfurls the flag during National Level Independence Day celebration held at Red Fort. Narendra Modi, who is the current and the 15th Prime Minister of India, will unfurl the national flag on the occasion of 75th Independence Day.
Thank you, Priyanka. Can you tell me that what does the 3 colors of our national flag represent?
Our 3 colors of national flag consist. Our national flag consists of strips of 3 colors: saffron, white, and green from top to bottom. These 3 colors represent sacrifice, saffron, peace, white, and prosperity, green. If you can't do great things, do small things in a great way.
Thank you, Harshita. Can you tell which freedom fighters killed a British officer in Britain?
Yes, Udham Singh, a great Indian revolutionary, assassinated the former British officer Michael Odiar in London. Michael Odiar was the governor of Punjab and was responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Today, let us take some time to value our nation and never forget the sacrifice.
Thank you, Vinita. Let be freedom in your mind, soul and body, faith in your words and pride in your nature. Wish you a very happy Independence Day.
Friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Govind, studying in 8th standard. and I am going to say about Independence Day. Independence Day in India is the most important day for every Indian citizen as our country got freedom from the British rule. We celebrate this day every year on 15th of August from 1947. Our country is continued as the world's largest democracy all over the world. India became an independent country on 15th of August in 1947 after sacrifice of thousands of freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who worked hard to get independence from the British rule. The 15th August also marks the anniversary of partition for Pakistan and India, which took place in August 14 to 15th in 1947. Thank you.
Of grade 5, Happy Independence Day for all my beloved Indians. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Every year, this day is marked as occasion to celebrate the country's sacrifice and struggle of our freedom fighters, as made to India independent from British rule. We hoist our tricolor national flag on this day. Once again, Happy Independence Day to one and all.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. We have gathered here today to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our motherland. Free India was a dream for all Indians under the British rule. Everyone during that tour fought with the common aim of ending British and other colonial authorities in India. After a century of revolution, struggle, battles and sacrifices, India finally achieved independence on August 15, 1947. India was free in 1947 from the British Empire, but the country lost many men and women who were filled with undaunted courage and spirit of patriotism. They sacrificed their lives for the freedom and prosperity of their motherland so that their forthcoming generation can live peacefully and happily. There were many freedom fighters who had fought for the nation and sacrificed their lives. Some of them are Major Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad and others. We celebrate this day to honor and remember the sacrifice of great Indian leaders. Today we have freedom in almost all fields such as education, sport, transportation, business, etc. This is only because of the years of struggle of our forefathers. Even after 74 years of independence, we Indians owe this freedom to all those great leaders who faced various tortures, exploitation and hardships for our freedom. India is our mother country and it is our responsibility to lead our country ahead. We all have power hidden inside ourselves, but how to use that power is actually not easy as it sounds. When the power is misused, it translates into violence. But when the same power is used for achieving some right goal, then it amounts to justice. We should take an oath today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizens of tomorrow India. Thank you.